Are you facing challenges keeping students engaged and motivated in the classroom? Do traditional teaching methods fail to inspire learning? But you have no clue on how to make a change. We are here to help you. Introducing our immersive education gaming and interactive classroom, designed to transform the way students learn, allowing them to learn in a way that's engaging and memorable. Our interactive content encourages active participation, making learning a hands-on experience. And with our educational gaming, learning becomes fun and competitive. One of our most exciting features allows students to color their favorite character and watch as their creations come to life. This innovative tool fosters creativity and brings a new level of engagement to the classroom. Increased engagement leads to better retention of information and a deeper understanding of subjects. Different themes of interaction games to explore. Our platform is user-friendly and seamlessly integrates with existing curricula, making it easy for teachers to implement and use. Our technology supports personalized learning, catering to each student's unique needs and pace. Join the education revolution with Springlab. Transform the classroom experience and ignite a passion for learning that lasts a lifetime. Call us today, start elevate your classroom